Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Potter. I am doing a late night unboxing. I've had some shipments that have came in over the weekend, and I just wanted to unbox them so I can go ahead and start using them. So I hope you guys just enjoy this little unboxing. By the way, sorry about if the lighting isn't really good in here. Some of the things I purchased are pre-loved and some of them are from online outlets.
So this one is from Coach. I purchased a few items off of the website because I noticed that
what I bought was from the Coach outlet online, a chain strap in gold, and I bought a mini lane in khaki brown, and I believe this is 46 inches. So I bought this chain to adapt to another purchase. Hopefully that's in one of my bags, so I'll show you what I'm going to use this on later. And then I also purchased the mini lane in khaki brown.
the top handle is black, just like the strap. I do want to try to show you guys the inside.
It doesn't really fit in my hand. I do have kind of bigger arms, but top handle's really nice. It comes with a Coach tag. Try to take this off. It's a really small pocket. I really love the gold or brass detail it has. It's really pretty. It's not covered in plastic. The back pocket does have a little zipper. So this back pocket, I know you can't see it very well, but it has a zipper. So that's nice. And then in the first pocket, it just has one drop-in pocket that you can fit something in, and that's it. The first pocket's very small, so maybe you could just put like some tissue or gum in there, but overall it's a very pretty, feels really sturdy, and it's a bag that you can take out in any weather. So yep, and it retailed for $328, but of course I didn't pay that much for it. This is still on the Coach outlet, so you can look it up. It's called the mini lane top handle bag with the lace. I've been waiting for this. It came in a box, so just a regular box inside of a bag. And I bought a key holder from Rebag. So it came in a plastic bag
with some tissue.
So it also comes with a card, and it says certified by Rebag, and it has the item number, serial number, brand. So that's pretty cool. It comes and it has a mini size picture right there of the key holder, so I'll keep that. It has a tag from Rebag. Enjoy your purchase for life or exchange it within 1 year for up to 80% back in Rebag credit. So I guess I'll keep that too. First impressions, let me see. So I've been wanting one of these, so I'm glad I got a good deal on it. This is pre-loved, of course, so I was trying to find one on the website, but I didn't find any in stock. So I think this is it looks like burgundy or fuchsia, or like a raspberry color. But the reason why I bought this one is because the button wasn't scratched up yet, and it said it was in like pretty much good or excellent condition, which I'm gonna check all the glazing right now, and it's like in perfect condition on the outside. So it's really pretty and really great condition, and the inside is really nice. It's not scratched up. It smells okay. It's not bad. But yeah, I really wanted this. I know it's like a big recommendations as a first purchase from Louis Vuitton. So it has a little pocket. I always see people say you can insert it here, but actually you can insert it from either side, and it comes with 6. So I'm really excited to use this because I don't want to damage the inside lining of my bag. So I really love that. So I'm really happy about that purchase. And it's going to be, I believe it's a necklace. I purchased a necklace from Coach. I had a Coach necklace before. I believe it was gold, but it had the white diamond in the inside. And I really like dainty jewelry, so it's one that I thought I'd go for. And this was also from the Coach outlet website. It came in a separate bag, but it was all one purchase. So this is originally $88, but I think I got it for way less, and I got I believe 15% off. So I got it for way less than original, and it's kind of like two circular Coach. They're both embossed in Coach rings added together. So I don't know if you can see the embossed, but they're both embossed. So I thought that would be really cute and dainty to wear. So this is one of my other Coach outlet purchases, and this came through the mail pretty much open, and I'm surprised that all the contents actually stayed in there. I actually folded the flap down, but it literally came open, like it was not sealed. It came like this. Like you can see the inside content. So Coach, you need to step up your packaging game. Even though, you know, it's really cheap packaging, at least make sure it closes. I believe this is the Nolita 19, and I got a thin ID signature card.
So let's open this up.
So I decided to purchase this to go in my bag. So I decided to purchase this. It's really small, fits right in, no problem. It has a card. You could put your ID card back here, and it has a opening in the inside, and it has 1, 2, 3 on card slots on one side. So I thought I'd get that to go with my mini lane.
edition, the signature canvas in hand. And this is my Nolita 19 with a chain.
So I bought this because I originally was on the hunt for a Coach Cassie, and while looking for the Coach Cassie, I found that a lot of people really liked this bag because it is very comparable to the push-it accessory, which is really popular for Louis Vuitton. But you know, those are really hard to get a hold of these days. Their value is really high because it's a really popular bag these past years. But I decided, you know what, I am going to go for all leather Coach because Coach is well made, and I've never had a problem with Coach before. I love contemporary because it's affordable, but it's also really nice. Coach has always made really nice bags. I'll probably put that back in to keep its shape, but inside is just a large flap with another side that has two that you could possibly fit cards in, so that's really nice. Interior matches exterior, so that's really awesome. This comes with a small chain which can easily go there. My arm's too big to wear it around the shoulder, but that's why I purchased the 46-inch because it's interchangeable, I believe. So I could just have this one on for decoration and put this one on. Or I could just tuck this one in and adjust this one and just have the long chain with the Nolita. So that is why I purchased the chain. They have this in black, I believe, as well, and in canvas, but I really liked this color. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's gonna go back in. Okay. So, really nice. I am really excited to have this because eventually it's gonna be discontinued and you won't be able to purchase this anymore, I'm sure, or it's gonna be super marked up and hard to get. So I'm glad I purchased it now. Okay. Me and my sister have been like on a Coach spree lately. So this is another bag. I think this is a mini version of the Nolita. Basically the alternative to a mini push-up. So this is it. It's so cute. I don't think they stuffed it because it's pretty flat. But this one was like not flat at all versus that one. So I'm glad they stuffed this one. They should have stuffed this one. So this one is the Nolita 15. So this is the Nolita 19. I'm guessing for 19 centimeters, and this is the Nolita 15. So that's what they look like. This one comes with a leather handle. This one's come with a chain strap. This is them together side by side, so you can see the difference in size. So really cute. I'm gonna really enjoy using these gold hardware on both. Really nice. I'm just wondering if this one has like been used or returned because it wasn't stuffed like how my other Nolita was stuffed. all black interior, so the inside matches the outside. This one only comes with the 2 card slots, and that's okay. So I think I'm gonna stuff this one so it can keep its shape, because the bottom is pretty flat and I don't want it to lose its shape. Or I'm surprised this one came in a really big bag. So this one is the Coach Nolita 15. Very cute. Oh my goodness, I've been waiting for this one. Okay. I'm really excited. So this one is a Louis Vuitton package. Let's see. So it comes in a really small little box, and I'm pretty sure this is my receipt. I ordered this online on a whim. I was checking the website and they're always sold out. And then one night I was on the website and it said place in cart, so I went ahead and purchased it. Oh, how cute. It's a mini envelope. Oh no. I opened it wrong. But anyways, I guess if you wanted to gift this, it's a mini envelope. For people who regularly open this, I'm pretty sure you guys already know what it is. Dun, dun, dun. So it comes in such a tiny little dust bag. Very cute. Very cute. And it is a Clé. So I've been wanting one of these. I do have a mini truce bag that's really small, and I think this would fit in there. Very nice. It feels nice to have a new one, but I was looking for these pre-loved on the Fashion File and other websites, and it's very expensive. They're very highly marked up. So I got this for retail price. The cards were inside, but it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and I'm pretty sure you guys all know it's just brown in the inside. It looks like a hole, like a black hole on camera. Hardware looks really nice. Has a little LV sign right there. And I hear people use these as like a mini catch-all. You could put coins in here, cards, hair bands, anything, and it's nice as a little keep-all. I think I'm not gonna use this as a key holder. It's meant for, I guess, to hang your key and you put your key inside. I think what I'm gonna use as a catch-all, and then this, of course, is gonna hold my keys. So I'm really happy. It has a little bit of fraying. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, now that I look at it, now that I'm really looking at it, this side looks not as round, and this side looks really nice and round. So I don't know if you guys can notice it. This side is round and this side has like a angle. It's angulated right there. So I've been watching a lot of videos and people have been complaining about the quality, and I can definitely see it. I see what people are talking about. That, like, I think other people have been complaining. I think it's about the Pochette Matisse. Their bag is the same way. One side would be round on the purse, one side's round and one side's like slanted, and it's definitely happening here. So one side's rounded and one side has, like, you see there's like, it's not rounded, it's like a dent, but it's not, I'm not gonna return it or anything like that because I'm just gonna be using it as a catch-all. But now I know what people are saying about the quality going down with Louis Vuitton. I know what you guys are saying now. I see it. And there's tiny like fraying at the top right here. You can't see it, but I can see it. I'm not sure if these are supposed to be glazed at the top, but mine does not look glazed. It just looks like someone cut it with scissors. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or not. And I guess it must be hard to stitch the inside perfectly. I don't know. For as much as you spend on these, they should be made perfect. Absolutely perfect. So, I have one more box and then I will be done. By the way, how was your guys' day today? Today is a Sunday. I was off today, but I decided to pick up a mini shift at work to help out. I believe this is from eBay. I made a purchase, and I think this is the purchase that I've been waiting for from eBay. I believe this was a bid. If this is the correct item, I bidded for this item, and I think the seller had offered me $350 around there, and I countered with like $290, and they accepted. So if I can get this open. I know this video is already really long. I might have to edit the video so it's not so long. And so nice. It came in a dust bag. I really wish that my Coach Nolita's came with the dust bag also. So the dust bag feels, and it doesn't smell, feels nice and new, which is good because they took care of it, or they gave me a new Coach bag. This item isn't really old, but dun dun. So I've been on resale websites looking for this bag because I really like the Louis Vuitton, pochette Matisse, but it's out of my price range, and that's okay. This, however, is in my price range. This is Coach's original design, and the design came out before Louis Vuitton's design. So in my eyes, this is not a dupe to the pochette Matisse. I feel like the pochette Matisse is basically the similar style to Coach's Cassie. So it comes with its own tag. There is some wear around the D-ring, which is okay. It's pre-loved. And the pictures showed absolutely no scratches, and there is absolutely no scratches on the leather itself. It has brass hardware and these little metal have Coach embroidered around them, so that's really nice. It has a brass C-ring. See, easy to turn. I can hear like when you turn it, I can hear a little it sounds like a, I don't know, how do you say it? I don't know, but it does make a little noise when you turn it. I don't know if you can hear it, but inside is a burgundy color. I hope this comes, oh, I was gonna say I hope this comes with a strap. It did. So it comes with a black strap, and let me just see if it feels worn, and it looks like it's in really good condition. So not too many dings and scratches, but I like that it's an aged gold brass because it, you know, it doesn't look like, how do you say, it already looks antiqued. But anyways, it says Coach on the button right there. I don't know if you can see it. It says Coach. So inside, it's just 3 compartments. It has a smaller compartment, a medium compartment, and a thinner compartment in the back, which they have provided me with the original receipt. So this is a black leather Cassie bag. It's really nice that they have the original receipt. So she has her original address and everything on there with the original USB tracking and everything. So this person took really good care of this bag, and it does not even look worn. It's very, very new. So I really appreciate that. Inside smells new. I'm gonna put this back. Yeah, so inside there's a zipper and a side pocket, and this one is just smaller. You could probably slip thinner things in the front. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy about this. So I've been on the hunt for this, and it's overpriced everywhere. And so I thank goodness for the person who accepted my offer for $290 for this bag, because on Mercari and Poshmark, this bag is going for ridiculous amounts, and sellers are not budging. So I'm so thankful for the seller who was able to accept my offer. However, this is all for my unboxing. It's already late and I do have work tomorrow, so I have to let you guys go. Thank you guys for stopping by and spending a little time here on my channel and watching me unbox things I have purchased lately. Anyways, I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a good rest of your night. Thank you guys. Bye.